Hello, I am Nitesh Pradhan from LabVIEW Programming. In this video, we will discuss about the noise and signals. It is a 15 number video of the series of LabVIEW signal processing. So let's start. Right click in the block diagram, come into the signal processing, okay, signal generations, pin in here. Now, right click, come into the numeric, take numeric constant, right click, edit items. First, uniform noise. Uniform noise, Gaussian noise, after that we can take gamma noise, gamma noise, and let's take periodic noise. Hmm. Now we have these four noises. Right click, change to control, right click, come here, take a now right click, come here, come to signal processing, waveform generations, pin in. So now let's come into the uniform noise. This one is the uniform noise. Okay. After that, in the next one, Gaussian noise. Right click, add case after, add case after. Periodic noise, and there is gamma noise. Where the gamma noise? There. Okay, let's see how it will evolve. Now, we need one sine pattern. Take the sine pattern here, right click, it is number of sample. So I will take the number of sample 1000. Number of sample I will insert here, and I will connect this number of sample with the uniform noise sample. Gaussian noise sample. Right click, open the label. Then we'll go to the gamma noise. Let's connect. Same. Periodic. Okay. Now press Ctrl H. Click here and study. Click this one. Amplitude, sits in the uniform noise. Okay. amplitude sits in Gaussian noise, same thing you require. So now you know very well there. Sorry, I have taken, I think I have taken the wrong functions. Sine pattern. Here I am setting the frequency that will be cycle 10. Let's see. Come into the front panel, right click, take a waveform graph here, take another waveform graph. Come here, connect this waveform graph here, and connect this waveform graph here with the addition functions of this noise. Let's see. Now you can see this. Okay, this is a noise with the uniform noise. If I will change it with the periodic noise, okay, because it's not completely able to generate the periodic noise, it's gamma noise, Gaussian noise. Okay, so for the periodic noise, let's see its spectral amplitude 1. Give it 2. Okay, so it is a periodic random noise. Let's see how it will work for the periodic random noise. Yes, it's working. Right now the number of sheets are 1, so -1. So here, this is the output of the addition of this and this generated noise. So thank you for watching this video.